All right, everyone. The day is finally here.
Got the Amazon.
And we got the TikTok shop. Came in about, Amazon took 4 days. TikTok took 3 days to deliver. Fucking badass. Right there.
Yep.
Badass. All right, you ready?
Packagings.
Here's the TikTok. Here's the Amazon. I cannot wait to see this in fucking real life.
I know,
Can you believe
we
that?
have never. Oh.
It's been months. All right. I'm not going to look. All right. Wait, don't look. Pull it out at the same time. Oh.
Dang.
Holy shit. Look at that.
Looks good.
Holy shit, bro.
This looks nice and bouge.
Look at that.
It does look nice.
Yo. Wait, this is actually crazy.
What is this?
That's the Amazon sticker.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god. It's really here. I designed this shit. That's
white.
crazy.
Good.
There we go.
This is so smooth, too.
Dude, that shit's laminated.
Yeah.
All right, let's check the seal.
Here you go.
Bang. All right. Pretty easy.
That's satisfying.
Pretty easy pop. We got this little package. Now let's see the pills. Oh man, there's no leakage in there at all. Look at that.
There's so many. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's 120. That's 60-day supply, baby.
Dang.
Look at that. That's crazy, bro. This is crazy. I cannot believe it's finally here. Dude, just look at that. Look at the design. On the TikTok, we got to start recording today. We're going to start recording today. Oh boy, we about to do some TikToks. Oh my god. It's finally here. I cannot believe this. This is actually crazy.
Yeah, it's about to be November. Your goal.
Oh my god, it's in the timeline.
Yeah.
How long have you been working on this?
Long time.
How long has this been a thing?
Like 2 or 3 months, right?
Like 3 months?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Dude, it's so much better that I decided to like not do the powder too.
Mm-hmm.
One thing to work on. And then this is literally only like $2,000.
Imagine if you had 2 products.
Yeah,
right
2
now.
products and I'll be like, oh my god, I only have to market one. It's been so long. Our quality commitment to you. 30% beta glucans, dual extracted for maximum variability. The product is verified for active compounds. There is no added starches, grains, or mycelium. It's just perfect.
You actually have a product. That's so weird.
Isn't that weird?
Yeah.
It's on brand too.
Heck yeah.
It's on that green brand.
Imagine.
Oh my god, look at that.
Now we have to paint our bathroom this color.
Look at that.
It's so nice.
That's it, guys. It's here. Time to market. Time to strategize. See ya. What's up, you beautiful people? Hopping on here for an update. Right now, we are just dialed in on quality dose, just writing scripts every day, recording, editing, trying to get the listing built up. I only have one purchase at the moment and one review from myself that I made that purchase on the shop. Still thinking about a strategy here. I am thinking about buying reviews, just having people order on the shop, having that delivered, and then paying them the $30 for the price and having them leave a review there. That is a strategy that I'm thinking of because the listing is pretty dead, and just to brute force that from organic does seem a little hard to do, especially because social proof is 99% of the game, and you can't fake that on TikTok shop. So yeah, right now I am just trying to transition into just going hard on quality dose. Not much exciting going on at the moment, but it is what it is. Right now, Ava is finishing up the editing of the video that we're making. The copy on it is absolutely fire, but like I said, with the lack of social proof, I'm not sure if it is going to sell. I am experimenting or playing with the idea, at least, of opening up my website again and experimenting with just doing some Facebook ads. That is in the back of my mind. But at the moment, we are just going to keep producing the organic videos to try to blast this listing off before we start reaching out to affiliates. Because the same thing with the social proof of why it's kind of hard to get sales at the beginning. The affiliates are going to look at that request and be like, this is not a real brand. I know I'm on the affiliate side. We made $1,000 GMV for other brands. So I know how it is getting those. I don't even check to see what the brand is if I don't see like a million, gazillion 5 stars. But yeah, that's the update for Quality Dose right now. I thought I'd just stop in and let you guys know what's up. I thank you so much for the support on the recent videos and catch you guys later. Peace.